Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we crochet this bag. It's very simple. We will use such a bottom. Size is 22 by 10 centimeters. There are such numbers as 1, 2, 3. That means how many stitches of the corresponding holes. We start from this hole as the picture. Yes, this one near the foot. We use such cloth yarn and 3.0 millimeters hook. Pull yarn to make a chain. And a single crochet. That is the first stitch. Mark it. Please print this picture. It will be helpful. Next, a single crochet into one hole. One single crochet, next 2 single crochet, switch in such rule. Make 7 sets in total. Now we arrive the hole near next foot. Make 1 single crochet into it. Next, as the picture. Three single crochet into it. Next, 3, 2. Finish this round as the picture. That's the last stitch. Mark it with clip. There are 100 stitches in total. Now, let's close the first round. From the second round, we use the 4.0 millimeters hook. Slip through the first stitch. Next, chain 3. Mark the third chain. Chain 1 more. We take the first 3 chain as one double crochet. Make a unfinished double crochet into the first stitch. Stop here, it's unfinished double crochet. Skip one stitch. Next one, unfinished double crochet. Now, there are 3 loops on the hook. Pull yarn through all the loops. That's one set. Chain 1. Now the second set, into the same point of the last stitch, make an unfinished double crochet. Skip one stitch, next one unfinished double crochet. Then pull yarn through 3 loops, together. That's the second set. Chain 1. Repeat in such rule to the end. Here's the last set. Here is one unfinished double crochet. 1. Skip stitch. Do the third chain. Pull yarn and pull it through these 2 loops together. That's the last set. Now we get the second round. Now, the third round, we will use white yarn. We start from the space between 2 sets. Pull yarn and make 3 chains. Mark the 3rd chain. Take it as the first double crochet. Chain 1 more. Hide the tail while crocheting. Into the same space, make 1 unfinished double crochet. Into next space, make another unfinished double crochet. Hide tail like that. Pull yarn through 3 loops together. Next, chain 1. Now the second set. An unfinished double crochet into the last space. Next one, unfinished double crochet into next space. That's the second set. Repeat like that to the end. Now to close the third round. The second round be finished. Unfinished, please go to next video for the second part of the tutorial.